So here's a tricky question for you. Is cloud hosting actually worth it, or is it just another overhyped tech buzzword? And more importantly for this video, is hosting a cloud hosting good enough to trust with your precious website? Let's get this hosting a cloud hosting review started. Before I answer that, if you're only here for the discounts, all right, fair enough. You can find the best discounts in the description or just scan one of these QR codes on screen. If this video helps you, why not click that like or leave a comment at the end? Every click helps us reach more hosting beginners. And hey, you can say thanks for that discount code. It costs you nothing. All right, to start, what is cloud hosting and how cloud hosting works? Think of it like this. Instead of your website living on one single server, it lives across a network of servers. All of them are connected and work as one infrastructure. That's basically what cloud web hosting is. If one server fails, another one picks up the slack. If one hard drive fails, the other hops in to help. Basically, it gives you more stability, more speed, and way less stress. Now, compared to shared hosting, this is a big step up. Shared hosting is cheap. Yeah, I mean, duh, get to the point. Well, cheap is good, but you're sharing resources with a whole bunch of other people's sites. A bunch of other people. Ew, people. If you're running web hosting in cloud, you get dedicated resources, better performance, and you don't have to share with those neighbors. So where does hosting a cloud hosting fit into all of this? Well, here's the deal. And my personal problem with cloud is it can be unnecessarily complicated and daunting when you just want to host a few small business websites. Most cloud providers like AWS or Google Cloud are powerful, but so confusing. You're dealing with pay-as-you-go pricing, technical dashboards, and a lot of, wait, what am I even paying for? For some, that's the drive, that's what they want. But I have a sneaking suspicion you, just like me, want something more approachable. With hosting a cloud, you get a clean, beginner-friendly dashboard called hPanel. It looks like a regular shared hosting interface, but behind the scenes, it's running on a full cloud setup. So you're basically getting the power of the best cloud hosting without needing to be a developer. But hosting also goes one step further. You have a personal developer at your fingertips. It's called Kodee. It's an AI chatbot, but it won't just answer your questions. It can also do a lot of tasks for you as well. So even if you're not sure you'll be able to manage cloud hosting on your own, believe me, you'll be just fine here. And there's the all-in-one stuff. You get a free domain, free SSL, automated daily backups, even professional email accounts are included. There's also a dedicated IP for improved security and a content delivery network for better performance. With other providers, you'd have to set all that up separately and sometimes pay extra. So, pricing? This is a big one. Most cloud platforms charge based on usage. We already established that. Every click, every GB, every request, that can get expensive fast. And it's also really unpredictable. How the hell should you know if your site will get 2,000 or 2,200 visitors a month? Sure, with super large projects, there's probably a guide for that, but for beginners, Hostinger is that guy. Hostinger keeps it simple. It's fixed monthly plans. You know exactly what you're paying. No surprises and nothing to calculate or predict. You pay, you host, that's it. Also, here's a quick bonus. You can try the Horizons tool. It's a no-code builder that lets you create websites or even full web apps without writing any code. Pretty cool, and some free credits are included in your cloud hosting subscription. Thanks, Hostinger. Now, is it perfect? I mean, are you perfect? Yeah. That's what I thought. But in reality, yeah, there are a few things that do annoy me a little bit. If you are a hardcore developer who wants full control over every tiny detail, you might still prefer something like AWS. It sometimes updates the user interface too many times, to the point that it can get annoying. I mean, changes are great, but don't move my buttons around, I just remembered where they are. Also, keep in mind that there is no phone support, only a weird AI version of it, which might be a big thing if you like long romantic midnight chats with your support agent. Honestly, most of these cons sound like nitpicks. It's powerful and affordable, which brings us to the main question. Is hosting a cloud hosting good enough for you? You know that the answer is yeah. For the price, the simplicity, and the features you're getting, it's the best choice for beginners. So if you're thinking about leveling up your site, this might be the easiest way to do it. Check out the deal below, grab it at the lowest price possible, and don't be the loser paying full price for complicated cloud setups. So I hope my cloud hosting video was helpful to you. If it was, like and comment. And all right, okay, enough for today. I will catch you in the next one.